What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, y'all. It is Damon here from DecoExchange and
Stephanie.
So we are actually using the sign that was in our wreath supply box this month. You can see it right here. Says, "I'll be gnome for Christmas." So all of our ribbons, we went with the same color scheme and pattern. We gotta make our sign. We gotta fix our sign. That way it'll be ready for us when we're ready. Y'all, we're gonna use some DAP glue. I'm gonna just use a leftover flower stem and get a little bit of this glue in the four corners of our sun. Y'all, I highly recommend the DAP glue. It dries super quick and it holds really well. So y'all, we're just getting our mounts on our sun so that it's ready to attach to our wreath whenever we're ready for it. All right, so y'all, we'll just set this off to the side so that these can finish drying. Y'all, so we're gonna put that on a grapevine wreath with a fun collection of ribbon. Y'all, so the sign has black and white. This has black and white. The red, the blue, there's little blue light bulbs in it. And then the red and the green, the gold to match all the trim on the sign. This one to match this one, and this one to bring out the red and whites.
And this one has gnomes on it too.
Yep. And this one has gnomes, and that one has gnomes. So it all kind of blends in together a little bit. All right, so I'm going to start making our bow. Y'all, for the bow, we're going to do about a 12-inch tail. Let's do about 6.5 inch on the loop. All right, so these two loops are about the same size. The gold is gorgeous. Y'all, the gold is from the assortment boxes that we sold at Wreath Makers Live last year. We're gonna put 5/8 gold to finish off the bow. Aunt Kay said, "Hey."
Hey.
Do we want to attach it here and put our bow down here? We're using a 16-inch round. All right, y'all, we're gonna cut all these long pipe cleaners off. Y'all, we're gonna attach our bow down here. We do have the bow makers at DecoExchange.com. So now we need some of our green pine. All right, so we're gonna cut our pieces smaller and then just start working them right in here. So we added this pine to start building out our base a little bit. So we built out our base. Now we're going to come back and add in some colors.
I get pretty scared.
Everybody got to go and see her sit on the sidelines.
I don't get scared of getting nervous and very shy. And my cheeks turn red. Still.
Y'all, we're going to take these bright red glitter leaves. Do I prefer a glue pot over a glue gun over a glue pot? No, it's just whatever I feel like using at the moment. I use both all the time. We do have these red leaves on the website, and we even actually have a SKU for one. You want to read it out?
XS618224.
And that comes in a 4-pack.
Y'all,
Y'all, so on this stuff that we're adding now, we just keep adding them in a triangle type pattern. So we added our pine, top, bottom, this way. Then we added this one in a triangle pattern. And then we added our leaves in a triangle pattern. What else did we bring over here? Oh yeah, let's use a little bit of that eucalyptus. Yeah. This is a eucalyptus that is frosted and glittered. This one is PF1657. All right, y'all, we're gonna add a few of these just right around the top and the bottom, just to give it one more layer of texture. Y'all, we're just using that in there to kind of give it a little bit more definition. If you guys are interested in learning step-by-step wreath classes, check out wreathmakingclass.com. We are taking new students until Monday, and then we're closing open enrollment for a little while. All right, y'all, check out wreathmakingclass.com. We are done for the night. Have a good night. Bye, y'all.